Hi guys, welcome back to Stephie Creates. Thank you for watching and subscribing and continuing to be with me on this creative journey. So today's product share, and these will be available on my Etsy. These are custom ordered. I went through and I just made one of each. So you would just pick what color you want, or what stone you want, I should say. So this one, they're all the same necklace, they just have different stones and colors. So this one here, let's see if I can do it without getting a glare. Okay, so this one here is the blue dyed Imperial Jasper. So you would get the Jasper stone, hand wire wrapped, and then you would get the leaf crystal, and then the two bicone crystals, the toggle clasp, and then the beads. And this is all glass and metal beads. And like I said, every necklace is the same. Let's see. Okay, they're gonna get a, there we go. Okay, so the next one is the amethyst. Same features, wire wrap on your stone. Maybe. Come on. There we go. And this is natural stone, amethyst. And then here's your beads. It's the same beads except for these ones are different colors. So everything's the same on every necklace except for those two beads, and then the pendant stone. The next one is rose quartz. Again, hand wire wrapped. This is all handmade. Glass beads. This one has the pink here. It goes with that. The next one is the green dyed Imperial Jasper. So it's more of the green. And then it's got the green. Sorry. And then it's got the green beads. The next one is the blue lapis. It's really pretty. Blue lapis. Again, hand wire wrapped. So everyone will look different. This is however the wire wants to participate that day. And then here you have your beads. And this one has like a dark blue. And then we have our aqua jasper. And then we have like the aqua beads. And then we have the black labradorite. Really pretty. And then this one is the Indian agate. So you could get red or you can get the green that's up here. I'll grab another pendant just to show you. And then here's the beads. Let me go grab a pendant real quick. Okay, so here's a couple of the Indian agate. So you can get green, you could get a red. Like, it's very random for the Indian agate. As you can see, this one has some green up there, but it's been wire wrapped, so you can kind of see it. But the Indian agate, like I said, you can get a different color. You won't know what you're getting until you get it. So that one's a little tricky. So these will be available in my Etsy shop. You can also message me on Instagram if you wanted to purchase through there. All the details and pricing will be in the description box. Alright, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Alright, bye.